guys, grilled lobster versus fried lobster. Today we're using these 4 beautiful Florida spiny lobster tails for comparison. We're comparing for taste, texture, and as you'll see, the look of these lobsters when they are finished, they'll make your mouth water. So we're going to make these saddleback style. With the meat on top, all you have to do is cut the shell right through the center. Try not to cut all the way through the meat. And now also go ahead and clean it up, just like that. Also gently pull the meat because it could break really easy. So just gently pull it up just on top like that, make it a little fancy. Alright, so we're going to melt half a cup of butter. To that we're adding 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Go ahead and mix it well. And lastly, add that lemon to it. Now you guys want to go ahead and heavily coat them. Remember, you have a lot of sauce, so it's never going to run out. Trust me, it's never enough. Never enough sauce. Finally, just add that salt to it to taste, and we're all set for the grilled lobster. Alright, so here we have the lobsters we're going to fry. We're going to go ahead and open them up the same way. Make sure you sauce them really good. You're going to add the salt to your taste. Never too much salt either. Just kidding. Alright, so you're going to put them in the flour. Make sure you get every single angle. You want to get these coated as much as possible so you get that crispiest lobster you can get. Now you're all set and done, and let's get this started. Here we are putting them in indirect heat till they get that beautiful orange red color. And all we're going to do to them is keep on basting them with that amazing sauce that we made earlier. Trust me, you guys are not going to regret this. Check it out. So now you guys want to move them to direct heat to get that amazing color, texture, and as well as that amazing bark once we flip these beautiful lobsters over. Now moving on to that fried lobster, make sure you get that oil very hot to around 400 degrees and drop them in. We give them about 5 minutes to each lobster. All you have to do is wait for them to get beautiful, crispy, golden, wow, just amazing, beautiful color. You'll know, trust me, you'll know when they're done. So for the sauce, we're making a spicy mayo. It's a very simple sauce. You have these ingredients at home for sure. All you need is mayo and sriracha, or you can use Tabasco or any hot sauce you like. guys, so here we have it. We have the grilled versus the fried lobster. We're going to see today which one is better. I have never had fried lobster before. This is my first time having fried lobster. My first time making fried lobster. I guess let's go with it. You know, I finished it off back on the grill. I charred it a little bit more. We squeezed a little bit of lemon, a little salt, a little parsley. Charred it back on the grill on the Pit Boss 1100. So now we're gonna give it a try. Very soft grilled lobster. So white, so nice. Smells insane. I wish you guys could smell this. Jesus Christ. That is so good. Let's try it with a spicy mayo. Spicy. 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 This is amazing. Alright, now we're gonna go for the fried lobster. Beautiful. That was actually really spicy. Whew. Some beer. Cold beer, white wine, whatever you want. Amazing lobster. Alright. Spicy meal first. Excuse me. Alright guys, so I had to take a mini break. This is insane. The taste, it's like, alright, so it's everything that this is, just crispy in the outside. I don't know how to describe it. It's like, it tastes like butter, but at the same time it tastes like fried chicken, but fried lobster at the same time. It's insane. It's driving me crazy. So much flavor. It's amazing. So much flavor. Wow. Definitely one of my new favorite things to eat. Fried lobster. The grilled one, obviously it's healthier. It's amazing. It would work for any occasion. You guys could do this any event. You guys are doing your Saturday night dinner, anytime during the day, anytime during the night. For a friend, for family, for your girlfriend, for your boyfriend, for whoever. And yeah, no, it's amazing. So I guess that's it. Let me know in the description below what you guys think. And see you guys next time. Subscribe, comment, like, and stay safe out there.